Hello students, welcome back to the chapter Relations and Functions. Now see the 10th problem. The Cartesian product A cross A has 9 elements, among which are found -1, 0 and 0, 1. So he given it is in the A cross A. There are two ordered pairs, -1, 0 and 0, 1. Now we have to find the set capital A and the remaining elements of A cross A we have to find. See here, by the given information, A cross A has 9 elements, that is n of A cross A. Number of elements in A cross A are 9. So already I gave the formula, that is n of A cross B is equal to n of A into n of B. All of you know this formula. So in the same way apply here also. N of A cross B means n of A into n of B. N of A cross A means n of A into n of A equal to 9. So x into x square. In the same way, n of A into n of A whole square equal to 9. So from this one, n of A equal to root 9 is 3. So n of A equal to 3 means, what is the meaning here? The number of elements in A are how many? 3. Therefore, the number of elements in the set A are 3. Number of elements are 3. Now what are the 3 elements? First we have to find. That is the set A. Now see here, this A cross A contains these elements. So what is the order pairs here? -1, 0 and 0, 1 are belongs to A cross A. These are the elements in this A cross A. So previously I given in the ordered pair, first element should be belongs to the first set and second element should be belongs to the second set. So here, what are the first elements here? -1, 0. These are the first elements. What are the first elements are? -1, 0. So these -1, 0 should be belongs to the first set only. So these -1, 0 belongs to A. Next, what are the second elements? Second elements 0, 1. Second elements. What are the second elements? 0, 1 or 0, 1. Now second elements should be belongs to the second set only. So that is 0, 1 should be belongs to, what is the second set is? Capital A. So both the sets are capital A only. Here first elements are belongs to first set. Next second elements should be belongs to the second set. So from the both, what you can write? -1, 0 belongs to A. 0, 1 belongs to A. So from these two, what you can write? So minus 1 comma 0 comma already 0 is there. Next one belongs to capital A. So minus 1 0 1 both are capital A only, both are the same sets. So finally what you can write, minus 1 comma 0 comma 1 belongs to A. So finally I am writing what is the A. Capital A equal to minus 1 0 1. See here, n of A equal to 3. Number of elements in A are 3. Count once. 1 2 3. Now you got the A set. A set is minus 1 0 1. Find the set A. This one complete. Next, the remaining elements of A cross A. So for now I am finding A cross A. A is minus 1 0 1 cross again minus again A minus 1 0 1. So write down the ordered base, that is minus 1 comma minus 1. Next with minus 1 remaining two elements, minus 1 comma 0 minus 1 comma 1. Next with minus 1 complete. Next take with 0 0 comma minus 1 0 comma 0. Next 0 comma 1. Next with 1 1 comma minus 1. Next 1 comma 0 and finally 1 comma 1. Now count once, how many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 are there. Now see here, he is asking the remaining elements of A cross A. In the A cross A already given two elements, except these two. What are the remaining? So totally 9 are there, 2 already given. So remaining are 7. So what are the 7? Here first I am counting this one, minus 1 comma 0, where it is this one, 0 comma 1, where it is this one. So except these two, remaining are these elements. So I am writing here the remaining elements of A cross A are, what are the elements? Minus 1 comma minus 1. So this minus 1 comma 0 already given, don't write again, remaining he want. So next minus 1 comma 1, next 0 comma minus 1, next 0 comma 0, next here 0 comma 1 already given, see there, so don't write again. Next minus 1 comma minus 1, next 1 comma 0, next 1 comma 1. Count once, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. These are the 7, these are the 2. Totally 9 elements. So these are the remaining elements of A cross A. So it is the A set and this is the problem of 10th one. See the next problem is example 3. Let capital A equal to 1 2 3, B is 3 comma 4 and C is 4 5 6. Then find these 4. See the first one is A cross B intersection C. I am finding A cross B intersection C. So in this one, first we have to solve within the brackets. B intersection C. So it is B intersection C. What is the B set is? B set is 3, 4. Intersection. What is the C? C is 4, 5, 6. Now, what is the intersection? Intersection means common elements for these two sets. So 4 only common element for these two sets, that is 4. That is the B intersection C. See once here. 3 is there. There is no 3 here. 4 is there. Yes, here 4 is there. 4 is the common element. Next, take A cross of this one. A cross of B intersection C. So A is 1, 2, 3. Cross B intersection C is set of 4. That is, the ordered pairs are 1, 4. Next, with 1, 4 complete. Next, with 2. 2, 4. Next, 3, 4. This is which one? A cross of B intersection C. Next, see the second problem is A cross B intersection A cross C. A cross B intersection A cross C. See here. A cross B means, first I am finding A cross B. What is the A is 1, 2, 3. Cross. What is the B is 3, 4. Now I am writing the ordered pairs, that is 1, 3. Comma, next, with 1, 4. 1, 4. Next, 2, 3. Next, 2, 4. Next, with 2 complete. Next, with 3. 3, 3. Comma, 3, 4. Close this. This is A cross B. Next, I have to find A cross C. What is the A set is 1, 2, 3. Cross. What is the C is 4, 5, 6. So write the ordered pairs here. First element from this set, second element from this set. So first element I am taking 1. Here first element I am taking 4. 1, 4. With 1 all the elements. 1, 5. 1, 6. Next with 2. 2, 4. Next 2, 5. Next 2, 6. Comma. With 2 complete. With 3. 3, 4. Comma. 3, 5. Comma. 3, 6. Now this is A cross B. This is A cross C. Now, what is the relation between these two? That is intersection. So that one I am finding. A cross B intersection A cross C is equal to, what are the common elements for these two? See here, 1, 3 is there. Here anything 1, 3? No. 1, 4 is there. Here also 1, 4 is there. Yes. 1, 4. Next, 2 comma 3 is there. Any 2 comma 3 here? There is no 2 comma 3. Next, 2 comma 4. Yes, 2 comma 4 is there. Next, 3 comma 3. Any 3 comma 3 here? No 3 comma 3. Next, 3 comma 4 is there. Yes, 3 comma 4 is there. So these are the common elements for A cross B and A cross C. See here, it is a board level. Suppose it is in CET, in the competitive pattern. Without solving, how we can say answer? See here both the first set are A only. Both the first sets are A only. So what is the A now? A is 1, 2, 3. Okay. Cross. Next, for B, C, what is the operation here? Intersection. For B and C, what is the common element? For B and C, what is the common element here? 4 is the common element. So 4. Now write the order base, that is 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4. 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4. Simple. So it is the competitive method. Don't apply this method in board level. Here A and A both are same. Take A set. For B and C, what is the operation? Is intersection. So what is the common element? Take that one and write down the cross. So that is the second one. Next, what about the third one is? Third is A cross of B union C. So first I have to find B union C, later cross with A. So B union C. So what is the B set is 3, 4. Union C is 4, 5, 6. Now, union means all the elements of B as well as C. All the elements I will take. So first 3, 4, 4 already is there, don't write again. 5, 6. So next I am taking cross with A. So A cross of B union C. So what is the A is 1, 2, 3. Cross B union C is 3, 4, 5, 6. So I am adding the order pace. Start by 1, 1, 3. Next 1, 4. Next 1, 5. 1, 6. Next with 2, 2, 3. 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Next, after that one, 3 with 3, 3, 3. Next, 3, 4, 3, 5, and finally 3, 6. That is A cross of B union C. That is the third one. And I think you can try this one. The same way here, you can try this one. This fourth problem. I solved 3 problems in this one. Now you have to solve the fourth one. Okay, that is the problem of example 3. See, the next one is example 4. If P is 1, 2, form the set P cross P. That means it is a triplet. ordered triplet. See here, first I am finding P cross P here. So P cross P. So what is the P set is 1, 2. Cross again P is 1, 2. So that is, write the ordered pairs. First element is 1, here first element is 1. That is 1, 1. Next with 1, next element 1, 2. With 1, both elements completed. Next with 2, 2, 1. Next 2, 2. Now see this one. Next, this is the P cross P. Next, you have to take cross with P. Then you will get ordered triplets. So, if I write directly, you will get confused. That's why I am taking these elements. It is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. I am saying, suppose. Now, this set is A, B, C, D, which is P cross P. This one. Next, I have to take cross with P again. So that is P cross P. So what is the P is 1, 2. Set of 1, 2 cross. What is the P cross P? This one is A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. For understanding purpose, I took this A, B, C, D. Otherwise, you can write directly. No problem. So, now take the ordered pairs here. That is 1, A. Next, 1, B. Next, 1, C. 1, D. With 1 complete. Next, with 2. 2, A. 2, B. Next 2, C. Next 2, D. So these are the ordered pairs now. Now we have to substitute A value, B value, C value, D value. Now see. That is 1, what is the A is 1, 1. Just a writing in place of A is what is the A value. Next 1, what is the B is 1, 2. 1, 2. Next 1, what is the C is 2, 1. Complete. Next 1, what is the D is 2, 2. 2, 2. Complete. Next with 2. 2, A. What is the A means 1, 1. Next 2. What is the B means 1, 2. Next 2. What is the C is 2, 1. Next what is the D is 2, 2. So 2, D value is 2, 2. So it is these are the ordered triplets. 3 are there. 1, 1, 1, 2, like that, and so on. 2, 2, 2, which is equal to, that is P cross P. So this is the answer for P cross P. Otherwise, no need of taking this one. You can write this step here only. Directly you can write. If you understand, you can write directly. Otherwise, you can follow this method. So it is the example 4. And now I give the exercise problems and exam problems. And one more, you can try this problem. That is example 1 and 2. You can try example 1 and 2. These both are very simple. You can try at your home. You can try this example, both examples. So it is the exercise 2.1 and examples. In the next class, I will give the introduction for relation. What is mean by relation? An example. What is the domain, range, and codomain? And these are the most important topics now coming. So I will teach these topics in the next class. Thank you.